Hi.
So, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Just pretty good? I'd think you were doing very good.
Pretty, very, there's really no objective scale for delineating variations of good. Why do you ask?
Well, a little bird told me that you and Leslie hooked up last night.
Sheldon!
I'm coming.
So, is it serious? Do you like her?
I don't... That's really two different questions. I'm not... Sheldon, we have to go!
Boy, you're wound awfully tight for a man who just had sexual intercourse.
All right, well, I'll talk to you later, but I am so happy for you, Leonard.